Shan Shahid is not just an icon of the Pakistan film industry, but also a wonderful human being. Our long due meeting finally happened at the City Says headquarters. Here's the interview for you to watch.
I'm going to have a very tough time questioning today because I suspect I'll be blushing throughout. The gentleman with me today is one of my all-time favorite actors, and Shan, thank you so much for taking the time out.
No, I've been trying to come to this show for a long time, but I was shooting for 2 films, so उसमें आना नहीं हुआ, but happy to be here.
I'm so glad you could make the time because हमारे पास इतने सारे सवाल हैं आपसे पूछने के लिए. And you kind of introduced all of us, a whole generation to Pakistani cinema. What made you have so much faith in it? Like, कोई नहीं आता था उस वक्त, सब कोई ड्रामे करता था.
हाँ, सब ड्रामे करते थे because that was the easy way out. One, my family belongs to film industry. My mother was in films. My father wrote and directed a lot of films. We produced a lot of films. We've been making films since 1952.
Wow.
And I grew up with his props. जो भी shooting की props घर पे आती थी, the flags and the swords and the guns and the uniforms and all that. So it was quite a Toys R Us for me at that time. So somehow that grew into me, and then I went to New York, did my high school, came back for my sister's wedding, and my mother asked me to do a film, and I saw the films, and they weren't exactly what I would have joined or something. But then again, I mean, the same case with Pakistan at that time. If you see, we were going through very tough times, but that doesn't mean that I just take a blue passport and go for start living in America. So if you are a Pakistani, and there is a responsibility on your shoulders, not just to correct the political system only, but small little things that are not okay around you. So I think that was the inspiration, how it started, and I felt very closely with the films. And then I saw the state they were in. So I could have opted for any films at that time. I could have gone anywhere. But I felt like a doctor was working in Congo, and he had no medicines, but he still had the spirit and the will to stick along. Yeah. So
we're so glad he came back, because I still remember that one eventful day that Mr. Shan Shahid showed up at Kinnaird College. I will never forget that.
I'll never forget that too, because later on I got married from one of the students.
Yes. But literally, I think he entered the campus, and I think I was way back sitting somewhere near the hostels, and suddenly there was this murmur on the campus. The biggest star of the time had showed up.
It was such a pleasure to be there, because it's an iconic thing for Pakistan now, going to Kinnaird and giving a lecture or doing a concert.
Yeah.
All the rock stars we have started out from Kinnaird College. So I think it was a pleasure. I mean, meeting and talking to the students and sharing whatever your experiences with them. So by the end of the day, I felt that it's easier to go than to stay.
Yeah.
Knowing me, I opted to stay. So I said. So I said I'll take this route, and I think
करके दिखाऊंगा
किसी दिन ये मुझे, क्योंकि इसमें potential बहुत है सर. From day one, films anywhere have a lot of potential. Television is a medium, it's a beautiful medium, but it's a medium. So you have तो वो दुनिया की हमें मिसालें ये बता रही थी कि ये बहुत बड़ा मीडियम है और इसको यूटिलाइज करना चाहिए. But it wasn't being utilized.
और किसी को तो करना था ना.
किसी को तो करना.
Somebody had to be that brave.
और I personally feel कि जो एरिया हुकूमत के अंडर नहीं आया, जिसको इंस्टीट्यूशनलाइज नहीं किया गया, जिसको सियासत जिसमें नहीं घुसाई गई, उसके साथ 2 अलमियाँ होते हैं. एक तो उसकी ओनरशिप नहीं होती और दूसरा वहाँ करप्शन नहीं आती है. सो द बेस्ट पार्ट वाज कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में करप्शन नहीं आई. अगर सियासत आती तो करप्शन आती, उसका भी PIA वाला हाल होता, पाकिस्तान टेलीविजन वाला हाल होता, उसका स्टेट ओन चैनल हो जाता. तो एक तो मुझे फ्रीडम ये थी कि यहाँ पे स्टेट का कोई रिट नहीं है. यहाँ पे इस फिल्म के अंदर बोले I want to make this story, I want to make that story, maybe a subtle message here or subtle message here. How important is education for the women? उस दौर में हमने 4-6 फिल्में उसके ऊपर बनाई, पंजाबी फिल्में. Because see, when you want to target a Punjabi audience, आपके मेरे बच्चे तो पढ़ रहे हैं अच्छे स्कूलों में, बट जो नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं उनको ये मैसेज देना है कि लड़की को तालीम देना कितना ज़रूरी. सो आई थिंक डूइंग इट इन अ पंजाबी फिल्म वाज ब्रिलियंट. आई एंजॉयड डूइंग.
दैट्स सो ट्रू, बिकॉज़ हमारे जैसे लोग, हम लोग सारे आपस में जो हम ज़्यादा एक्सपोज्ड हैं, थोड़ा you know, we've been blessed that way.
Yes.
I think हम लोग बहुत judgmental हो जाते हैं, and you know, like there's so many times that we say, you know, why is Shan doing this, and
Yeah.
we don't realize
the essence of it, जो उसका जो
social impact.
exactly, because see again, what's the main issue is that when you have when God gives you power, God gives you a medium to express yourself, then He gives you a very important responsibility, and that is not only to put 100 rupees in a Shaukat Khanum ka dabba.
Exactly.
It's more than that. It's more than what you do, what you think. You have to give out your time. For example, you're doing this, and I think this is a responsibility that you have, and you're doing it perfectly. You know, you're letting us meet the people that we serve every day. So I personally feel that that was a very important factor at that time. People don't realize that film is not just a hobby for me. Film is not just a passion for me. Film is a very important responsibility on me, that I have to see this film industry grow and reach the pinnacle that I personally feel that I want to see it at. Because see, in this region we've been given information from every area. There are people who watch Iranian films and parallel cinema, and there are people who are watching Hindi films, and there are people who are watching English films. So we've become a very mixed hub culture of all these three languages and all these three tastes, you know. We want to see a Bollywood film, but yet we want to see an Iranian film because it makes us look intellectual. Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah.
I think you hit the nail on the head there.
I
huh?
mean,
Oh, you know,
so.
watching foreign films.
Exactly. So I mean, that's great, but you know, I mean, you gotta go through the whole grind first.
Yeah.
So I think personally, I feel that it is a very important medium. I think entertainment for a human is as important as some medical attention.
Absolutely.
And that is what we don't care. I mean, we don't understand how much. You have to understand, even terrorism is connected to not having entertainment. Because the only thing you can fall back on is faith. So, and that is the area where you venture when you don't have anywhere to go. Where would you go? So you would finally go to a mountain, or probably you would go to, you know, some dars or whatever, where you sit down and you start having.
And it's a lot of exposure also, right? I mean, the cinema opens your eyes to so many possibilities.
Yeah. And even if you see now, I mean, what entertainment people have. I mean, forget about the small little areas around Punjab or Karachi for that matter. The central, what does it have? Lahore has, I think, 6 parks for around 4 crore की आबादी, कि 4 parks हैं,
Exactly.
2 वो हैं theme parks हैं, और सिनेमा अब जो हो गया है, वहाँ पे आपका ना ड्राइवर जा सकता है, ना आपका कुक जा सकता है, ना उसकी एंटरटेनमेंट बाकी नहीं, हम तो फिर भी देख लेते हैं, इंग्लिश है, यूट्यूब है हमारे पास. What does he have? And he's the man with the gun in the house, so you better calm him down. So you better give him responsibility, you better give him that entertainment that he requires. If you don't give him that requirement, then he'll fall back in his own ideology, whatever somebody will tell him. In his leisure time, he'll absorb, understand, calculate, and one day he'll say, oh, saab to galat hai. So before that comes, you have to understand that how important a Punjabi film is for this region. Because film has always been a poor man's entertainment.
Yeah.
It is only Pakistan that it has become an elite's entertainment now. Yeah. Because you take 10 people to the cinema and you spend 20,000 rupees. Before it was 75 rupees for your normal man, your cook, everybody who feeds you, who protects you, who takes care of you. All the blue collar jobs, they used to watch all these films.
So we are having a very interesting discussion because we have no idea what the Pakistani film genre is, and somehow all our films end up looking like Bollywood or Hollywood or some other one.
I personally feel that right now the Pakistani film genre is television.
That couldn't be more true.
So everything that I'm seeing right now is purely coming out of a very rich content that's called television. But unfortunately, if you see all the cinema around in the world, even they have not ventured into the television. हमारे यहाँ ये होता है कि एक ड्रामे में से एक फिल्म भी बना लेते हैं यार. शूटिंग पे जा रहे हैं तो एक ड्रामा है, एक फिल्म है, उसका ड्रामा भी बाद में आ जाएगा. You don't do this. There are some rules to the game.
No, and they're very, very separate. Like anywhere, like Hollywood में कोई एक आधा एक्टर क्रॉसओवर कर जाता है तो कर जाता है, या बॉलीवुड में तो खैर आई थिंक इंडिया में तो होता ही नहीं.
Even if you do, then it has nothing to do with real life experiences.
Yeah.
For example, Game of Thrones.
Yeah.
अगर आप सीजन पे भी जाते हैं वहाँ पे और एक वो बिल्कुल कॉस्ट्यूम्स और हैं, चीज़ें और हैं, स्क्रिप्ट और है, वो नेटफ्लिक्स की जितनी प्रोडक्शंस हैं उनकी चीज़ें. even they require a screenplay from the film.
Exactly. And silver screen isn't forgiving, right?
Yeah,
We know that.
हमारा जो television है, it is for the common man. बहुत ही subtle stories हैं, and not that I have anything against it, but that is हमारे यहाँ उस वही चीज़ जो है drive करती हुई एक रोती हुई लड़की है वो. मैं जब भी कोई चैनल लगाता हूँ कोई ना कोई रो रहा होता है. So it's so much crying going on. There's so much crying going on. And ठीक है, I mean there should be crying, there should be happiness, there should be comedy, there should be. So I think हमारे जो rating meters हैं या वो decide करते हैं कि 20 करोड़ अवाम ने क्या देखना है, वो हमारे rating meters decide करते हैं, हमारी अवाम decide नहीं करती होती.
And not just that, but not the other way around. Sometimes people also need to be shown newer stuff so that they know that there's something else available out there, right?
I always felt that television should be more experimental. You know, अगर मुझे TRP ratings जो है वो मिल रही है रोने की तो मैं कहूँ नहीं यार
रुलाई जाओ पैंटी लगवाई जाओ.
सबसे उदास औरतें पाकिस्तान में रहती हैं जो रोती रहती हैं. इस तरह नहीं होता है. I mean you have to give them, you have to guide them, you have to show them happiness, you have to show them शादियों में क्या होता है क्या किस तरह, you know, just
exactly. And
all the normalities.
With films, at least I expect more of that. Like I literally expect whatever the genre may be. It's not to say that I should see a dance or a sing song when I come out, but I expect to be overwhelmed, entertained. It's this big
आप फिल्म में भी देख लो ना हमारे यहाँ क्राइटेरिया क्या है. यहाँ तो आप कमर्शियल फिल्म बनाओ, यहाँ ठग करके आप वो फिल्म बनाओ जिसको आप बाद में खुद कह रहे हो आपको समझ नहीं आई.
वो एक्चुअली मेरा फेज एक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग चल रहा था उस जमाने में.
वो समय एक आप समझे नहीं मैंने जो बनाया है. तो वो ठीक है. I mean पैरेलल सिनेमा क्रिएट होना चाहिए, बट पैरेलल सिनेमा शुड नॉट बी डेवलप्ड ऑन द कॉस्ट ऑफ कमर्शियल सिनेमा. राइट नाउ योर कमर्शियल सिनेमा नीड्स मोर money, more investments. If the film doesn't do well, you have to remember that this is not television जहाँ ड्रामा बेची जाना है. This is film. यहाँ टिकट बिकनी है. टिकट किसने खरीदनी है? मेरे कजन ने नहीं खरीदनी, मेरे भाई ने नहीं खरीदनी.
और ले भी लें तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. 10 लोग ही हैं.
और लोगों ने लेनी है. What drives them to come out of the house? If out of your comfort zone से निकल के आपने एक सिनेमा में जाना है, वो करने के लिए आपको कुछ इंसेंटिव देना है.
Exactly.
अगर आपके 200 ड्रामे टीवी पे चल रहे हैं तो मैं आपको 1000 रुपए की टिकट या 500 रुपए की टिकट खर्च करके क्यों देखूंगा?
Exactly.
मुझे सारी जिंदगी होगी मुझे कहते रहे ड्रामास करने के लिए, मैंने नहीं किए बिकॉज आई थिंक फिल्म में होने की सबसे बड़ी जो एक मजबूरी है वो ये है कि आप एक्सपोज इतना नहीं हो सकते. आप टेलीविजन पे हर वक्त नजर नहीं आ सकते. This is a wrong idea that they have.
People
you see people
should
on
want
red
to buy a
carpets
ticket
everywhere. मैं तो कहता हूँ ये कपड़े उन्होंने इकट्ठे सिलवा लेते हैं कि 15 सूट सी दो मुझे 15 आगे रेड कार्पेट्स आ रहे हैं. You have to be seen less.
You know that we felt that pain. We style people also.
I think people are just
no, but that's a very interesting thought that in movies you should just be so available that people are still willing to
pay and go
pay
watch you.
to go see.
Yeah, I mean, what's the अगर मैं आपकी परफॉर्मेंस देख रहा हूँ पिछले 3 दिन से मैं एक ड्रामा देख रहा हूँ, that's great.
Yeah.
लेकिन फिर मैं अभी देख लिया ना आप, तो मैं फिर क्यों 1000 रुपए खर्च करके मैं उठूं, घर से निकलूं, फैमिली तैयार करूं, खाने पे लेके जाऊं, फिर वहाँ सिनेमा. So it's a whole process.
Yeah.
So either you offer me something that's out of this world, or either you amaze me with whatever you have, with your script, with your actors. तो हमारे यहाँ ये क्राइटेरिया नहीं. हमारे यहाँ जो भी है वो एक्टर्स जो हैं वो हर काम करते हैं. वो
मॉडलिंग भी करते हैं,
वो न्यूज़ पे होस्ट
भी हैं, वो शोज
भी हैं. हाँ, शो स्टॉपर भी हैं. टीवी ड्रामे भी करते हैं, हार्पिक का इश्तिहार भी कर लेते हैं, बीच में नीलाम घर भी चल रहा है एक जगह पे. मतलब ये सब चल रहा है. अगेन नथिंग अगेंस्ट इट, बट देन यू हैव टू रिस्ट्रेन योरसेल्फ. अगर आपको लगता है कि मेरे में इतनी एनर्जी है कि मैं 4 ड्रामे कर सकता हूँ, दैट डजंट मीन यू शुड डू 4. I mean you need to have a life, you know. आप अपना एक काम करें और रिलैक्स करें, उसके बाद फिर अपना एक स्क्रिप्ट बनाएं. It's not like it's not a machine.
अच्छा मुझे बताओ. I'm hearing a lot of stuff from you, and it seems that you're very clear-minded about what is right and what's wrong. But I know that this journey hasn't been easy, right? Because it takes a lot of gut to speak your mind, and there's a lot of sort of flank that you get for it too.
I've always been on
and labels.
I've always been on the wrong side. I think labels में हम बहुत जल्दी करते हैं. और सबसे दुख की बात ये है कि आज के दौर में patriotic होना भी एक label है. और it's not a good label. And I've been considered as a patriotic person. Yet people associate patriotics and fundos on the same room. They will probably put them in the same room or the same space, and that's not good.
No, but I find that odd because if somebody didn't have a choice and they were saying what you say, I would say that yes, he's just crying.
Yeah.
But but I know that you've had those options.
Yeah.
You've always had options to cross over to drama, to Bollywood, to whatever.
Yeah, anywhere. But I didn't, because again I will tell you, because I think जैसा पाकिस्तान को हमेशा आप हर आदमी जो एक्टर को कहते हैं, और सर आप तो सरमाया है पाकिस्तान। तो सरमाया मैं हमेशा समझता हूँ कि यार सरमाया भी है और टैक्स भी दे रहा है, इतना कुछ कर रहा है। You know, he's paying a lot to stay in Pakistan, but he's a सरमाया वाली। But again, जब आप सरमाया होते हैं और आप नेशनल एसेट कंसिडर करते हैं अपने आप को, I don't care if people don't think like that. But I do. I think अगर बलूचिस्तान से सोना निकला है या गैस निकला है, वो ऐसी है जैसे पाकिस्तान से फवाद खान निकला है या कोई और चीज़ निकला है। Because it's an asset, you know, you need to cash in on that.
Exactly.
वो भी आप बेचेंगे तो पैसा आएगा, इसको भी आप बेचेंगे तो पैसा आएगा। So I personally feel कि you're an asset when you start your career from Pakistan, and Pakistan gives you all the respect and then again you have a responsibility towards it. And that responsibility says, please fix things around you. There are things that are wrong. Please fix them. I mean, you are considered a Pakistani actor in the world. अच्छा इसके बाद. But if one is considered a Pakistani actor in the world, he needs to do a Pakistani film first. So I think that is where we go wrong. अगर आज को पाकिस्तान से स्क्रिप्ट लेके जाता है all these border crossing actors के पास, तो वो फौरन कहेंगे ओह ये अच्छा नहीं है, ये फलां नहीं है, इसकी ये ठीक नहीं है, इसका वो ठीक नहीं है, इसका ये मैं तो इतने पैसे लूँगा। What responsibility? What are you doing for Pakistan? Just cashing in? कि आपका नाम है कि पाकिस्तानी एक्टर तो बाहर से काम कर रहे हैं।
तबाही मचाई भी आपने, बट आपने
पाकिस्तान में आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं। हाँ। So I think these things need to be reconsidered, rethought. So anybody who's making their life chart needs to organize these things firsthand. बाकी जहाँ तक काम का ताल्लुक, I think I feel they're doing good work, but जहाँ तक कोर ताल्लुक है फिल्म बनाने का या फिल्म सब्जेक्ट करने का, I think इन सबको चाहिए कि इतना ये इंडिया से इंस्पायर्ड है, वहाँ पे जाके 6-6 महीने का कोर्स करके फिल्म डायरेक्शन का कोर्स करके आ जाएं और start making films that don't look like dramas. And you know the surprising part is, whatever sacrifices that I have done for Pakistani film industry, thinking not going into India or whatever, these people actually value it. These people stop me and they say, sir, ਅਸੀਂ ਬੜੇ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੇ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਏ,
ਬੜਾ ਚੰਗਾ ਕੀਤਾ।
So that actually, you know, and none of the literary people have ever asked me this. वो हमेशा सवाल करते हैं, आपके ख्याल में ये जो दुनिया एक विलेज बन चुका है और आपको जरूरत नहीं है अब
इस तरह के इश्यूज बनाने।
आप जब वीजा की लाइन में लगते हैं ना और वो डिनाई होता है, वो है वो एक्टर की वो बाउंड्री होती है। आप कहते हैं जी एक्टरों की बाउंड्री नहीं होती है, वो यहाँ से यहाँ चले जाएं, वहाँ से भाई वीजा लेने खड़े होते हैं ना, तो फिर बाउंड्री आ गई ना। वो आपकी मर्जी, आपको धक्के दे के निकाल दें या आपको रख लें या आपको वीजा दे दें। अगर आप इतने वो हैं तो वाइट पासपोर्ट होना चाहिए आपके पास जिस पे एक्टर लिखा हो और आप हर जगह जा रहे हैं।
ये आइडिया बुरा नहीं है, मैं भी एक्टर बनने को तैयार हूं, अगर एक वाइट पासपोर्ट मिल रहा है तो जाओ।
सारे जब वीजा की लाइन में खड़े होते हैं ना, वहाँ इनको पता चल जाना चाहिए कि लाइंस होती हैं, बॉर्डर्स होते हैं, आपके आर्ट की ये हदूद जो हैं ये कैनवस पे अच्छी लगती हैं, कैनवस पे कोई हदूद नहीं होती है आपकी सोच की और रंगों की। लेकिन अगर वो एंटी इस्लाम पेंटिंग है तो उसकी बाउंड्री मुकर्रर हो जाएगी, अगर वो प्रो इस्लाम है तो उसकी वो इंडिया के किसी मंदिर में नहीं लग सकती। सो आई थिंक बाउंड्रीज होती हैं आर्ट के अंदर भी, बट हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा लिटरेरी हो के और अपने आप को एक सिटीजन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कहने के ऊपर, it is amazing.
Utopian
I wish कि हाँ, I think if citizen of the world, I wish कि ऐसा हो, ऐसा नहीं नजर आता। जब दूसरे लोग रोज सरहदों पे खून से निशान लगाने शुरू करते हैं, तो वो बहुत गहरी बाउंड्री होती है। चाहे वो मेरे जो शहीद हैं फौजी, जो उनकी शहादत हो, तो मेरे लिए तो वो बहुत बड़ी बाउंड्री, जहाँ पे मेरे फौजी ने जान दी है, जहाँ शहीद हुआ है वो, तो इनको वो बाउंड्रीज नजर नहीं आती है, मुझे तो बड़ी क्लियर नजर आती है।
But I'd also like to sort of highlight over here, because I know that everyone kind of takes what you say at face value, but we were also discussing this and everything, that it's not that you're anti-collaboration, you're probably against what I may use say anti-selling out, right?
For me, देखो, एक ग्राउंड होना चाहिए जिसमें दो झंडे लगे हों, बराबर की सतह पे उड़ रहे हों, इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी, आपको भी वही पिच मिले, मुझे भी वही पिच मिले, 50 ओवर आपको मिले, 50 ओवर मुझे मिले, ये होती है बराबरी की सतह पे काम करना, जैसा क्रिकेट मैच होता है। जैसे क्रिकेट मैच होता है, अगर आप वैसे फिल्म्स के ऊपर बराबरी की सतह पे आते हैं, अगर मुझे ये पता चल जाए कि यार फवाद खान की मार्केट इंडिया में बहुत है, तो मैं एज ए प्रोड्यूसर पाकिस्तान में फवाद खान के ऊपर मैं फिल्म जरूर बनाऊंगा, क्योंकि मैं वो फिल्म बना के मैं इंडिया को बेचूं तो वो कारोबार है। अगर मैं उसमें से एक चीज निकाल के उधर ले जाऊं जिसका वो ना वो टैक्स दे रहा है, जिसकी ना वो चीजें कर रहे हैं, और जो भी, नॉट जस्ट फवाद, whoever is working in India, I have, you know, nothing against anybody, because see, by the end of the day it all comes back to me and saying कि ये जो फिर वो फंडो वाली है पेट्रियोटिक
फिर बोलना शुरू हो गया। सोचता भी नहीं है, बोली जाता है।
मेरे ख्याल में जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है ना वो ये है कि आपकी जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ हैं उसके ऊपर आपको ये देखना है कि अगर आप क्रॉस जाते हैं तो आप अपनी फिल्म बना के ले जाएं वहाँ पे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ट्रेड करने में कोई इशू नहीं है, you do your trade, but do not sell out. Sell out means that you take the most important component from Pakistan and put that in India, and then they make money out of it, and your country does not benefit from it at all. So I think these small little areas should be defined. जिसमें आपकी बाकी चीज़ें आती हैं, हमारे सियासतदान बड़ा अच्छा कारोबार करते हैं, दुनिया से कारोबार करते हैं, तो वैसे ही कारोबार करें, जितनी 365 आइटम इंडिया से आती हैं वो और आ जाएंगी, तो बट डू इट ऑन अ लेवल वेयर।
बड़े मजे की बात है, 3 लोगों लगाई जाते हैं, साथ साथ एक बात करता है 3 लेवल्स पे, जो है ना पॉइंट समझने वालों के लिए जो ना समझे,
it might be injurious to your health if you dig in too deep, but होता यही है कि values and principles that are very important in life. I think these are the things that define us from any serial killer. Our values and our principles in life. So I think इनका भी कसूर नहीं है, because they are first generation actors. They're not second generation or third generation or fourth generation. So I think they're first generation actors, and fame and money when they hit you, it's not a normal high at all. And people who are not capable to handle it for the first period of time, they tend to make random decisions that don't have any.
But tell me, what needs to change? Because the thing is that if the new actors are coming into this industry, if the industry suddenly they have all this exposure, digital's alive, everyone's a star, what can we as an industry, as a group of people do that we have, say, we inculcate those values that you now feel are missing?
देखो, Sadaf, it's as this constitution is as simple as the constitution of Pakistan, I think. You just need to believe and see and change things that you think are wrong around you, number one. What needs to change is that we are all individually working for us. We need to be collaborative, understanding. I mean, for example, if I want to be, if I want to be a hockey player, fine. I have the legs, I have the arms, I have the brain, I have the eyes. Now, what I need is training. So I'll take. मैं कहूँगा किसी hockey player के पास जाके कि सर, मैंने आपके बड़े matches देखे hockey के. Can you please teach me
something? Yeah.
Now, this word actually requires a lot of jigra.
Yeah.
That means कि मुझे
to go to somebody and say
आपके में, हाँ. तो इसी तरह जब ये फिल्म्स की तरफ आते हैं, मैं किसी और शोबे पे बात ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि मेरे से अच्छा डॉक्टर कोई नहीं है, आपने भी कुछ करना है तो मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि ब्रेन सर्जरी कैसे की जाए. It's films. We've been doing it. I've done 567 films by now. और my family has done it, my mother has done. So obviously एक नॉलेज होती है आपकी, पूरे पाकिस्तान में कहीं फिल्म की लाइब्रेरी ही नहीं है. आपने एक्टिंग सीखनी है तो आपको ये फीके से इंस्टीट्यूट है, फिल्म मेकिंग आपने सीखनी है तो आपको ये कॉलेजेस ने जो ड्रामा रचाया हुआ है, जितने इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं, एक भी इंस्टीट्यूशन ऐसा नहीं जो they're not doing anything for films. It's just they're charging the students.
So is there somebody in the new generation, so to speak, that you have seen that spark in?
Well, I mean, we all have our sparks, but collaborative sparks create
the magic.
Greater.
The magic will happen when everyone sort of starts working
together. So for example,
together.
अगर मुझे ये देखना हो कि यार मैं कोई ऐसी फिल्म बनाऊं जो सारे पाकिस्तान देखे, तो उसमें फिर आप चारों हीरो डाल लें, मुझे डाल लें, फवाद को डाल लें.
और है ये, like we've seen this in Bollywood. We've seen that this is a formula, for the lack of a better word.
Yeah, formula. तो पहली बात तो ये कि हमें सबको अपने अपने कैंप से निकल के कोलैबोरेटिव एफर्ट करना होगा पाकिस्तान फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की अपग्रेडेशन के लिए, from directors till writers. We need to stay away from television scripts and direction style.
Yeah.
and acting all together. मैं तो जो फिल्म में एक्टिंग भी देख रहा हूँ उसमें और टेलीविजन की एक्टिंग में फ़र्क नज़र नहीं आ रहा है मुझे, बिकॉज द फ्रेम्स और हमारे ज़ुबान में उसे ये कहते हैं कि he is delivering at a pace that is exactly the same as television, and you cannot do that. It's a no-no.
Now, speaking of pace, we know that there are 2 projects coming up.
Yes.
That you are directing, as well as
Writing and acting, and that's about it.
fabulous. There's no, so
And I've
there's
trained 2 kids, you know,
Yes.
who are gonna be making my films now.
Really?
Yes, I'll be on vacation and they'll be doing it.
Wonderful.
Yes, so for me, that is a great asset now because they've actually learned. They are the bridge between the future and the past.
Yeah.
So for me, that is very important कि उनको मैंने transfer कर दिया अपना. So I think that thing will go on.
So that's very interesting because now I'm going to get to asking him about his upcoming films because one I know is called
Earth.
Zarar.
Yes, yes.
Zarar, hello.
Yes.
So the first one that's coming out is Earth.
और जब मैंने नाम रखा ना ज़रार, the first person who came to my mind was you. मैंने कहा सदफ ने मुझे कहना है copyright मेरे पास है सारे सदफ ज़रार. Yes.
Yeah, exactly. No, but I was over the moon when, well, I got a picture from him saying, you know, Zarar shoot in London, and I was just like, yes, fame time. But he's actually Zarar in that film,
Yes.
so we are going to talk about that. But first, we're going to talk about the release that's coming up sooner,
Yes,
which is Earth 2.
Yes, when I started Earth 2, I actually started the film because I wanted to tell people that there's a difference between going to India and working in a film or doing a project that is Indian.
Yeah,
There's a huge difference. People think that I'm
yeah,
anti-India.
Yeah.
I'm pro-Pakistan. I'm not anti-India.
yeah.
So I think if pro-Pakistan is considered to be anti-India, then let it be. But
Yeah.
the point is that if I'm making Earth 2, it's an Indian film, then
No, and that's very interesting because people are so quick to write it off saying, हाँ जी कह तो रहा सी,
हाँ।
but खुद इंडियन फिल्म बना
हाँ,
रही
खुद
है.
तो उसका आइडिया ये था कि
Yeah.
द बिजनेस प्लान
हाँ।
इसका ये होता है सदफ कि आपकी प्रोडक्ट जब बाहर जाती है तो वो पैसे कमा के मुल्क में लाती है. जब आपका एक्टर बाहर जाता है तो ना वो इधर पैसे देता है ना उधर पैसे देता है, तो आई थिंक दैट्स नॉट गुड.
हाँ.
तो जब मैंने अर्थ को स्टार्ट किया था तो मैंने महेश जी को फोन किया, उनसे कहा कि आई वांट टू मेक अ वेरी कल्ट क्लासिक फिल्म ऑफ द 80s. I like the script, but I want to play around with the script. I want to change the screenplay. I want to add some new dialogues. I want to have a new lingo because Pakistan doesn't
Yeah.
have Urdu anymore.
Yeah.
आपकी फिल्मों में जो इंडिया फिल्में बनाता है पाकिस्तान के ऊपर, उसमें ये बातें डालता है आदाब और शेरवानी पहन के लोग फिर रहे होते हैं, you know, everybody looks like Jinnah. I mean, that's not how it is. So Earth is Minglish.
Yeah.
It's a new, like you were asking me about the genre of Pakistani films. It's a new genre of language, you know. It's Urdu, English mixed with together.
Yeah.
We express more as Lahoris or Karachiites or Pakistanis. We express more in English now than in Urdu because Urdu के अंदर express करने के लिए vocabulary बहुत बड़ी
उर्दू
होती
के
है.
लिए मेहनत करनी
मेहनत
पड़ती है
करनी
दोस्तों.
पड़ती है. So Earth is a musical film. So I bought the rights from Mahesh ji, but he was kind enough to say, Kishan, if you're making the film, I don't want to charge anything.
Is that true?
Yes.
What a wonderful story.
Yes, so he
And that's collaboration.
Yes, that's collaboration. So he was kind enough to give us the film, and then I said, Mahesh ji, I'm gonna operate the film. I'm gonna do some open it and do. He says, just do it. Don't tell me. Just do it and then show me the film. I said, okay.
Right.
So then I sat down. I took some things and I changed the screenplay and I changed the characters and the. Added more Pakistani values into it and how we see things, what is marriage to us, because you have to see there's a difference in the ideology, because in Hinduism you cannot marry again, but in Islam you can marry again. I mean, so there was a huge difference because the film was based, and the best part was that it's based on a character, a woman who goes through the trauma that every woman goes through.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, husbands, going, the insecurities basically. I'm not going to pop out the script, but the insecurities. So for me, it is a very mature love story. It is not about Google love or whatever.
Does it have an item number?
No, it doesn't.
Damn it.
But it does, in a way it does. Because Umama is playing a
pulling
film
it.
star in it. And
Oh, is she?
yeah, while we shoot, and they all have their own.
I
name.
bet she owns it.
She nailed it. She completely nailed it. And this love story is about ordinary people.
Yeah.
You don't have to look like Marilyn Monroe to be able to have that feeling of love.
Yeah.
You can be a very average looking person and yet you still have the feelings of love.
Yeah.
And nobody caters to them. And so I think Earth caters to all the masses, all the
Wonderful.
women who see and who feel. Because I've been raised up by a single parent. My second mother is my sister, so she raised me up, and now I have 4 mothers, my daughters. So I've been
they're
surrounded.
gorgeous.
Yes,
They're so cute.
I know women now. Finally.
Finally, no.
Finally, yes.
You, my friend, might be the only man in this world
Yes.
who knows women.
मैं तो वो अब अगली फिल्म मैंने शुरू ही औरत राज करनी है. The rule of women. Yes, it has to be understood. तो वो उसमें फिर मैंने देखा कि you actually see, because when you're in love with somebody, you don't know their childhood, you don't know how they are as babies. So it's a different species altogether for us, for men, women. It's a different species.
They're from a different planet.
Yeah, Mars and Venus, and so. But once you see them in old age, middle-aged, kids, then you get all the literature together, and then you understand, oh wow, what a beautiful species, and this is how she needs to be nurtured and cared for, and this is how you start seeing the whole constitution of a woman. So then I drafted this character from an art that Uzma is playing, and it just shows how caring and how giving. I mean, the most difficult thing in this world is to give up your dreams.
Yeah. Finally, we'll get to see women in an interesting light.
Yes.
Yes. Right?
And
so they're not just going to be beaten
them.
up by their mother-in-laws, hopefully, only.
I know. I mean, I personally feel कि मुझे, I don't know, मैं गलत भी हो सकता हूँ, I'm sorry अगर आप गलत feel हो ऐसा, but I always feel that जब मैं शादी भी किसी की जाता हूँ तो मैं देखता हूँ कि जब रुखसती का टाइम आता है तो मैं हमेशा देख रहा होता हूँ तो वो बच्ची जो लड़की, she's crying and all that. Obviously you miss your family and all, but I somehow feel that it's not just the family, it is the dreams, all of the dreams that the one woman has. She's that days that she gives it up. So I think वो जो उसके जो ख्वाब हैं जिसे उसकी फैमिली नर्चर करती है 16, 17, 18 साल की उम्र तक कि तुम ये भी करो, and suddenly from day one there's a new master in the house, and it's the husband has to decide कि okay, now you're gonna do this and now you're gonna do this. So I think that ये किसी अगर आदमी के साथ हो ना तो पागल हो जाए. I mean, men cannot give up their dreams. Women can give up their dreams, and it is
that takes a lot of strength.
I'm just telling you, it is the most powerful thing you can do. इंसान के पास होता क्या है, ख्वाब होते हैं ना, तो अगर आप वही छोड़ देते हैं अपने, just because you love this person so much, men don't. अगर किसी ऐसे बंदे से शादी हो जाए जो अभी डॉक्टर नहीं बना है, वो डॉक्टर बन के छोड़ेगा, वो साथ गिटार भी बजा रहा होगा, वो ये भी कर रहा होगा, वो भी कर रहा होगा, बट औरत जहाँ गिटार पकड़नी है वहाँ बच्चा आ जाता है.
I'm pre-booking 2 tickets right now, both for me.
Yes. So I think that ideology, अर्थ के अंदर जो वो ideology मुझे जब औरत का जो एक दिखाया, फिर उस पे जो हम physical abuse करते हैं, वो physical abuse को दिखाया. फिर हम दिखाते हैं कि वो औरत के अंदर इतने अरसे की शादी के बाद जो lack of confidence भर दिया जाता है, वो उसके ऊपर वो development करता है. And I think that getting together is actually finding your soulmate, where the other person आपके करेक्ट चीज़ों को, आपकी ख्वाहिशात को, आपके ख्वाबों को जब नर्चर करना शुरू करता है, he is your soulmate. Your soulmate, yeah. So this is the love story about
that. Is such a beautiful thought, and I think that I for one am definitely looking forward to this one. When does it come out?
It's March.
March is just around the corner, guys. That's a fabulous time to be in the cinemas, to be watching Earth 2.
We'll be doing something with you on the premiere also. We want the first 10 guests should have a quiz and whatever, and
fabulous. We're going to be giving out tickets right here, guys. You guys need to know that.
You get to see the film with us, the great Sadav, and me, and all the team.
I love it. He's making me feel so important.
No. You know, I truly respect your family, and I truly respect your father and all and obviously you also because we work so much together.
Zarar.
My first commercial was with you.
Yes,
So-
we go back all the way to Mobilink.
Yes.
When he used to be the Indigo
Yes.
guy.
The first
Indigo
one.
brings people closer.
Yes. I mean, what a great series actually. But
That was fabulous.
That was fabulous. Good time.
That was great time.
It was just emerging at that
At that
time.
time. That was like when big time marketing was
Yes.
coming to Pakistan at that
Yes.
time.
Please send your views and your scripts as well if you want to start up that. I'm starting some film acting workshops here,
Wonderful.
and let's get together.
So
and-
guys, you will have access to the, well, I don't even know what to call it, this mountain of experience
No.
sitting right here. And there's workshops coming up,
Yes.
there's films coming up, and he's accessible, right? So we can always send out maybe an email address or something that if you guys want to know more about the film industry, this guy is here.
Yeah, I mean, not just that, and if you are thinking of a career in films, and you want to go through the right path, and you want to understand the core of the filmmaking, or understand what is the difference between acting in theatre or TV or film. They all look the same. You all cry the same way, but it's different. All three genres are different. You need to cry in a certain time in films, and television gives you more space, and theatre gives you a lot of space. So anything regarding the films, anything or acting, I think by March end we're gonna start doing the workshops in Lahore, and I think we'll be happy to associate it with you guys.
Yeah, and we'll be signing up for them too, because God knows I could use some acting skills.
No.
पैदा ही बड़ी अच्छी actor हूँ. But anyway, thank you so much for the time today, Shan. We had such a great time, and guys, honestly, thank you for being so honest and so real.
Thank you,
That is
thank
one
you.
of the things that we love.
नहीं, thank
Love,
you so
love,
much.
love
But मैं
about
यही
you.
कहूँगा कि whatever I say, it might sound to all the people who think I'm talking about them. I'm not trying to say that I'm better than you. I'm not. I just feel my responsibility is more, and I feel it more. And I hope we get together, because Sadaf, by the end of the day, it has to be a collaborative effort. I mean, all of us have to get together right now, because the pie is too small. Let the pie become bigger, and then we can have our own camps. But right now, we need everybody together. Like if politicians can be together, why can't we the actors be together?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So collaboration is the name
What
of the
was
game.
that thing that they did? All parties, something they all got together.
Yeah, for the upkeep of democracy
Yes.
at the end of the day.
So let's
this
keep
is
it.
for the
Let's name
cinema.
it. Sadaf, you name it. Na? Upkeep of democracy का क्या होगा? Upkeep of films.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
For the betterment of films in future.
Yes.
So collaboration is the name of the game, and thank you so much for tuning into City TV once again. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, wherever you feel like. We're there, right there. Very, very accessible. Thank you so much.